Let's take a look at the resources for consumers that are available on Florida Health Finder. On the home page, click the little file with the red X, and you can see on the next page that you have several options. There's a link to our deliveries and newborns information, a link to file a complaint about a provider licensed by AHCA, and additional important links and phone numbers, as well as information about Medicaid. Let's take a look at a few of these. First, click on the Medicaid link. And here you can see links and phone numbers to contact Medicaid, as well as information about the Medicaid program. One of the most popular features on Florida Health Finder is our consumer guides. To view the consumer guides, we'll click the white-blue button near the top of the screen. Our consumer guides on Florida Health Finder provide answers to many of the questions that we receive at the agency about healthcare in Florida. There's a patient's guide to a hospital stay, information about assisted living in Florida, end-of-life planning, health and human service programs, information about the various kinds of emergency and urgent care, home health care, information about long-term care, nursing homes, patient safety, the Patient Bill of Rights and Responsibilities, and information about prescription drugs. You can click any of the links here to view a live web page for this guide. For example, we can click the most popular guide, Healthcare Advance Directives. On this page, you'll find information about living wills, designation of healthcare surrogates, and organ donation. And at the bottom of the screen, you can click and print as many copies as you'd like of these forms. They're free and they're available to you on Florida Health Finder. However, an easier way to print all of our guides is from the list. On the right, notice the little PDF icon. If we click this, for example, for Healthcare Advance Directives, what we'll see is a clean and printable version of our forms and our guides. This version may not be as colorful as the web page, but it is formatted for your printer, so you will waste less paper when you print this. Keep in mind that all of the consumer guides you see here are also available in Spanish. To see Spanish language versions, click the word AHCA here near the top of the screen. Now you can see the same list in Espanol.